I'm on the Aquatrols stand and I'm with Christian Baldwin, who flew over from Ohio yesterday, I believe, Christian.
Yes, absolutely. Got in yesterday morning.
And you've got something new to show us, which is new to you, but it's not quite going to be new to us for another little while yet, but it's something that is going to make a big mark in the industry when it does arrive. Xstatic.
Yes, Xstatic. So it is designed specifically for the synthetic turf fields, and it targets the infill materials, whether crumb rubber, cork, or others, and it helps to reduce the static buildup or static electricity of the infill materials.
And this is something you've been working on for a little bit of time, I would imagine.
Yes, we started maybe about 2 years ago, and worked with our Lamberti, our parent company, and they gave us a bunch of different chemistries to go test in different rates and timings, and we found the one that worked really, really well. And so we've had some fields now for the last 2 years that have been applying to their fields throughout the season, had a lot of success out in the field, so it's been very exciting.
Now, as a problem, this was something you were aware of for a long period of time, I would imagine?
Yeah, so one challenge in synthetic turf management is static electricity. And the problem is when the infill has a lot of static, the infill moves, and it creates a lot of non-uniformity. So it's an impact on playability and footing and performance. And historically, the solution has been to drag or brush, and that kind of redistributes the infill material. The problem is when you do that, you're creating a lot of friction, and that creates static. And so they're going round and round and round trying to redistribute the material, and it's a lot of labor, a lot of time. And so Xstatic, when you apply it, it keeps the infill where it's at. And so it creates a lot of efficiency time-wise, reduction in labor. So it's been a really fun solution for the industry.
Now, I'm a lay person. Can you tell me in lay terms how it actually works?
Yeah, so it's a proprietary blend of chemistry, and it is a synthetic turf conditioner. And so again, we're targeting the infill, and so it helps kind of minimize that buildup of electricity, of static, and again, kind of keeps it in place. So that's kind of how it works a little bit.
And it's already available in the States, is that correct?
It is, yeah. We debuted, I believe, in September of 25. So it's been out for a couple months, and it's been fun to watch from lower levels all the way up to high levels applying it, and we're seeing kind of benefits kind of in between as well.
Has it been seen at the levels that we'd see on TV over here, at the NFL level?
Yes, so if you're watching a game on television on synthetic turf, chances are they're applying Xstatic to the field.
That's quick then, if that's just since beginning of the season, presumably.
It is, exactly. I think that tells you just how lack of solutions I thought there were to this problem. And they apply it. It's very visual to you. You apply it and you see it. And so it's in your face. And so it's a little bit different for our industry, but it's making a pretty big impact so far.
Now, over here in the UK, there's obviously things got to go through regulations, all the rest of it. But we will have it over here at some point, hopefully.
Yes. We're going through that process already, naming the kind of the regulatory pathway. Good thing is there's no toxicity language and no warning label, so it's a pretty safe chemistry. And so again, hopefully it should be a pretty smooth process going through that pathway.
Because that will be as big a problem over here as it has been in the States as well.
Yes, even different type of infill materials also, kind of more of the kind of cork organics can kind of have more of a problem as well in terms of movement. And so, yeah, again, it's a good solution for the crumb rubber and also other materials as well.
Now, you're obviously a scientist, PhD. What other things are you working on at the moment? What problems are you trying to solve at the moment?
Yeah, so we actually just launched a whole new nutrition line as well, kind of with Vertilinks here in the UK and EU as well. So we're excited about that, kind of maximizing nutrient use efficiency for the golf, but also in the sports turf world as well.
Well, we haven't actually given you the weather today. I know we're indoors, but it's pouring with rain outside.
Yes.
Will you enjoy a bit of time in the UK while you're here?
Actually, no, pretty quick trip. Although I'm coming back in a week with my family, and we'll be on vacation in the London area down into Winchester. So this is a work trip. I'll be back in about a week or two with the family, and so we'll enjoy some time around London and Winchester.
Well, I hope you get better weather then than we've got now.
It's okay. We'll bring the right clothes, so all good.
Well, Christian, thank you very much for telling us about Xstatic, and hopefully we'll see it over here before too long.
Of course, yeah, I appreciate it. Yep, thank you.